all my beauties, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique? These are all going to be super posh cotton materials with value added. These ranges would be like 2800 to 4500 ranges, in between these ranges, and the cottons are very beautiful cottons and comfortable cotton, and all are hand block printed with value added. Let me start this show. This is a amazing kashish color top with hand block printed all over. See this? Nice and fine materials. These are all lovely. It is and easy maintenance and elegant wear. See how beautiful it looks. And this is the pant and see the dupatta. So according to the ranges, the patterns, the designs and the look, these give such a posh amazing look. All right, and this is how it is. Okay, and then the next one is this is a same thing, but it comes with a different print. Okay, see this, lovely it is. So this is how it is, and this is the pant, and this comes with the same dupatta. These are all value added ones. See this, such a nice ones. These are all value added ones. All right, with these what to say, tassels and everything. All right, and the next thing is this same concept but are of a different color combination. Those are all kashish color. These two are indigo blue with beautiful pink matching. See how it looks. Wow, it's so nice and pretty looking one. All right, and one more is this print. I'll open this one and show so that you can understand how it really look. The color is so nice. These are all hand block printed. See, lovely hand block printed it is. And this is the beautiful dupatta for this. Alright, and the pink pant. And one more color is this. All are unique, different beautiful colors. It's a mix and match kind of kashish color, and the pant is little different color, and the dupatta is this nice green color. All right, let me go to the next design. See these. So all are nice fine cottons, really best for our Indian climatic condition, and it's a Pintex kind of. So these fabric actually gives you a nice chic fit look after stitching. And this is the top, and this is the dupatta. Dupatta is a heavy dupatta, means embroidery, heavy embroidery, but the weight is really lightweight. And I have got in this dupatta concept, I have got nice different colors, and all are in Pintex. Hope you can understand what is Pintex. So close up, this is what Pintex is, and actually it is cotton but it will stretch, so after stitching it gives you a chic fit. And this is how it looks, and this is the dupatta for this. So all are value added ones. See this nice dupatta it is, and it is lightweight also. And I have got one more color, is that pink. Lovely pink it is. Pintex cotton, stretchable, and this is the pant, and this is the dupatta for this. See, lovely pleasant color. Yeah, and then what's next? These two are the two different printed fabric. Okay, and I'll open this. All are value added. This is a simple cotton top with a simple pant. It's rayon pant, and then this comes with the amazing dupatta. Dupatta are so pretty. So the look is really nice and sober. See. So this is how it looks. See the embroideries on it. You can find beautiful gold embroideries on it, and with a border, embroidery border. And one more lovely color I have, it's a sky blue. For this light, the blue may be a little darker, And log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com and then see the photos and then place your orders. See, it's lovely, it is so pretty looking. Then what's the next concept? I have this yellow color. Only the print is different, but the concept is one and the same. You can find a mild gold prints on it along with the white. And then this is the pant and this is the dupatta. These dupatta are not heavy while wearing, but it is like a heavy embroidered dupatta. Then what's next? These are the two different hand block printed Chanderi silk by cotton fabric. The Chanderi silk by cotton gives you really a slim fit look. Okay? Alright, and this is the top and this is the pant, and this comes with the, see, this value added. These are all human touch and machine embroidery and a modal silk dupatta. Alright, and then I have got one more color in this, peach with pink color. See this, peach with pink. Oh, it is so beautiful, so nice, and something really different color combination, and three different kind of fabric: Chanderi, modal, and then cotton pant. Then see this. Once again, it's Chanderi hand block printed. The blocks are so amazing in this. Such a nice, beautiful blocks. I'll open this blue. See this. This is also like a three concept, mix and match. This is a Chanderi by cotton. Let me check. I have a doubt. Yeah, this is a Chanderi by cotton, and this is a cotton Hakoba pant, and then now it's a chiffon dupatta. And I have got beautiful colors in this and this. 2-3 colors in this. Next, see this. These two are more or less similar patterns with hand block printed, but both are different hand blocks. I'll open this block. The surprise is the combination and the dupatta. Inside the body, you can find minute katha work running all over. See, minute katha works, and this is a beautiful deep bottle green pant, and this is the cotton Kota Doria dupatta for this. Alright, and what's next? See these lovely, these are all on little exclusive range. The ranges are, this is 4,800. Why? Because of the quality and the fabric. It's a pure linen by cotton and it is hand block printed. Alright, see this. So nice and fine. It is hand block printed, and the bottom is a silk, nice thick silk bottom, and my dupatta is so amazing in this. Such a beautiful, amazing dupatta. Lovely it is. See how, what a beautiful dupatta it is. And I have got one more print in this. See this. So nice. Only the print changes, but the concept is one and the same. And one more color I have got. Those two are black in color, and this is pale indigo color. So this is the top, pant. You see the dupatta, lovely printed, hand block printed batik, and see this beautiful embroidery, right? And what next? These two are once again linen by cotton. Linen by cotton are really good for our summer season, and also it gives really a decent look. And the top is this. So even double, triple XL clients can wear a top, because the top breadth and length is very good, very comfortable. And then this is the pant, and this comes with the amazing, see this hand block printed dupatta. It's so nice, so elegant and so beautiful one. And one more color is this. See how pretty looking. I really wanted to have a look at the dupatta because you guys will really enjoy the dupattas, dupatta lovers. And these dupattas are so lightweight, and just like that you can flaunt. See the color, pista green color with the gray. It's such a beautiful color, rare color match.